Okay, I'm gonna show you how you can set your car radio if you cannot manually dial it to 87.9 or whatever other stations that you choose. In this case, we'll be using 87.9. So today we're in this Mercedes GLK 350, and you can see that this has on 87.7, I believe. Okay, there's 87.7. And if we go on to this, press this button, go there, okay, it goes from 88.7 to 89.8, 88.5. Okay, let me do it again. So it goes from 87.7 to 88.5. And it would not stop at 87.9. So what do you do? Okay, in this case, all you got to do is activate the Gizmo Guy gadget first. So let me show you how we're going to activate that. So we're going to go to the back. We're going to go to the back. And we need to open the trunk. So we're going to take the key out. And we're going to open, because this one we have installed in the back. So we're going to open this up. So we have the Gizmo Guy gadget plug in the back here. So all we got to do is plug this in. So plug it in, and let me activate the card. Turn on the car. Come back here, and you notice that we have this Gizmo Guy gadget that's set at 87.9. So now 87.9 is being sent out. It's being broadcast through the air. So now if we go to close the trunk. So if we go to the front of the car, and now if you come back here, you'll notice that now we 88.5, and then we go back. Now he stops at 87.9. Okay, and then he goes back to 80. So now it's staying at 87.9 because it's actually picking up the signals from the phone. So at this point, what you'll do is you'll set this into one of your preset. Make sure it's set a preset. So next time when you get in the car, you just push that preset and you'll be 87.9. So this is how you can get around if you are not able to manually dial your car stereo into 87.9. So what you do is you plug in a transmitter, make sure whatever setting is, whether it's 87.9 or other channels, make sure that what channel it is, 87, in this case will be 87.9. And if your radio station, your car stereo does not pick it up, you just activate the transmitter first and then come back to the car and do another seek or scan or manually dial into it, and you'll be able to get our channel. And once you get our channel, in this case 87.9, just program it into one of your preset, and so you don't have to mess with that in the future. Next time when you get in the car, we'll just leave the way it is, and then when you get in the car, you'll be able to hear this. Check this out. So now we're gonna turn it up. So next time when you get in the car and you activate, you start the car.
Bluetooth connected.
That's it. You know, now you have Bluetooth on your car. Okay, that's all you have to do to add Gizmo to your older car by using the Gizmo Guy gadget. Okay, this is Wesley, the Gizmo Guy, showing you how you can add Bluetooth to your older car factory radio without a whole lot of mess. Thank you.